snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas.
Adum. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if I tell you this particular music has been my Christmas song for the past 3 years, would you guys believe it? I absolutely love it. But as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are on to our Christmas decoration, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be decorating and bringing in the festive season. So let's just go ahead and get started.
I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a
Hi guys, good morning. So we are officially on to start our Christmas decor, guys. Look at this. I have to gather some strength because this is going to be a lot. We have to decorate this great room. I'm not sure why it's all washed out, guys, but yep. But I think we have to start with the entrance. I want to start from the entrance and then work my way in. This right here, it's gonna be a lot of job decorating that Christmas tree, but I'm super excited, guys. Let's go. Let's start this project because it's definitely a project, because we're going to start from this great room and then we have the whole house to decorate. But for today, I think we're going to do this great room and also the entrance, and then we kick it off from here because this is going to be hours and hours and hours of job. Can you guys notice something in today's video, guys? I can't believe this is going to be my first time doing the traditional, the traditional Christmas color, which is all red, guys. I mean, of course, it can be Amabel if you don't see a touch of gold in it. So for our entryway, I decided to keep it very festive, guys. So we're going with all red theme, as you guys can see. So I went ahead and put on the wreath, and then over here I'm hanging my garland. And you guys, I'm so happy for the fact that this garland, it already comes made for you guys. So all the flowers, all the balls, everything is already pre-made for you. So when you buy the garland, everything is already it's basically ready to go. And to hang it, I'm using my command strip. Oh my goodness, before I discovered using command strips for my holiday decor, it was a pain in the butt because I had to end up using nails, right, to hang whatever it is I'm hanging, and that always leaves damages on my wall. And you guys, I mean, once you start using command strips, you would never go back to nailing anything on your wall, guys. And I love the fact that they all come in in different weights, so it all depends on the weight of whatever it is you're hanging. I'm going ahead to hang my garland. Absolutely love the colors on these because of the fact that I'm going for a traditional Christmas color. I love it, guys. And this is actually my very first time using a garland, right, on the entryway doorway, and I love the way it all looked. And as you guys can see, of course, the garland, it didn't go all the way down because I didn't want anything crawling to get on top of the garland, because I have this phobia for insects. For some reason, I feel like once I open the door that something might climb on me, so I just left it that way. I bought 3. I was supposed to use 3, but I just love the effect the 2 gave, so I used the 2 garland. And also because of the fact that the flower vase I'm going to be using, as you guys can see, it covers that, so I didn't even bother. But yep, I went ahead and I added my festive holiday doormat. Absolutely in love. Yeah, I love the merry and bright on the doormat. And then I added my flower vase, and also I decided to add some flowers, some red flowers, just to give the entryway a very nice pop, a very nice red pop of color. And also, I mean, you can't decorate without your bowls. Have you guys noticed that bow, like bow decoration are taking over the whole Christmas decoration, even last year and also more especially this year. So I decided to add some bow on my lantern, on my door, and yeah, oh no, on my lights. And I absolutely love how this came all together, guys. I mean, I didn't do too much. I just left it very nice and cozy, basically. All right, you guys, we are on to the much appreciated but also dreadful moments, guys. I mean, when I'm done with my Christmas decoration, I feel so good. I feel above the moon, basically. But when it's time to decorate, especially the tree, guys, it's not for the faint-hearted. And that is why I always say that I love to put up my Christmas decoration very, very early, like in November, so that way I'm able to enjoy all the stress, because decorating your home for Christmas is no joke, guys, basically. But anyways, you guys, we're going ahead to decorate the tree. And I mean, if you've been watching my Christmas decoration for such a long time on this channel, you know that I'm a very big firm believer in using what is it called, ribbons, right, on your tree. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I used my gold and also my red ribbon. And the reason I love to use ribbon is that way I'm able to cover most of, like on your Christmas trees, there's always gaps on it, right? So using my ribbons and also my balls, like my Christmas balls, right, it helps to cover up all those deep pockets on the Christmas tree. Before then, you go in with your flowers, your whatever it is, every other.
See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
I honestly was praying for the kids to be back home from school before it got to my Christmas, the peaks, because it was going to be difficult, holding those and also sticking them on top of the Christmas tree. So I was so happy when they came back. Immediately they came back, I was like, please, come and help me. Just hold the peaks and give me one after the other, so I'm able to put those up there. And of course, guys, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below. You guys already know the drill. I beg, just hit that like button below, guys. And also, of course, if there's anything you see in my videos that you're interested in, they're definitely gonna also be in my description box. I mean, my tree is 12 or 15 foot tree, and if there's anything you see in my living room, in my dining room, my entryway, anything at all, guys, definitely check my description box. I'm going to be linking everything there. But you guys, I know how easy it looks. While editing, under probably less than 3 minutes, we were done with the Christmas tree, because of course they've all been edited. But guys, this Christmas tree took me about 5 hours basically to do. It wasn't easy, because remember, I have to be climbing up and down the ladder. I'm not sure if you guys even saw the ladder, but yeah, I have to be climbing up and down the ladder, picking every Christmas ornament one after the other. It wasn't easy, guys. But I'm so happy that the Christmas tree came out exactly the way I envisioned it. I wanted to work with gold and red, for this year when it came to the great room. So I love the fact that it just it was perfect. And of course, I mean, if you use a flocked Christmas tree, you guys, you would know that working with a flocked tree is not easy. I believe that's the reason a lot of people went going with natural green tree this year, because yeah, working with a flocked tree isn't easy, but for some reason I just love the fact, especially us that are in the East Coast, right? The snow, when we talk about Christmas, it's all about snow on the tree. So the flocked tree always gives us that realistic Christmas tree down here. But yeah, if you love the like all green tree, you can as well go for it. But I love my flocked Christmas tree. But anyways, I went ahead also to decorate the sofa. As you guys can see, I decided to also work with my red and gold, and also I added some white decorative pillows on my couch. I just love the fact that everything is all matchy. I mean, if there is no time in the year you want to do pops of color and also matching design, Christmas is the right time, because I would say like I would say at most 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I will be taking this down, because I'm among those people that put up our Christmas tree early and take it out early. So I usually put up my Christmas tree, I would say middle of November, and take it down first week of December, because yeah, it always feels as if I'm still in the first festive mood whenever I leave my Christmas decor up, and by the time I take it down, January is already over. So I love to just go ahead immediately after the new year. I just wrap everything up, put them all up, and then bring back our regular decoration. But yep, guys, basically I'm just going ahead now to decorate the living room, put everything where they're supposed to be.
It's so special 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love?
Guys, we're going ahead to decorate the coffee table, and that simply completes the great room. And we're just gonna move on to the dining room. I mean, we have the entryway, the great room, and also the dining room. So with the dining room, we're going to keep it also very, very festive. Like I told you guys, we are working with our traditional Christmas color. So I'm going ahead to put this garland, above my frame canvas. I wasn't sure how this was gonna work, but thank God for my command strip. I also used my command strip to hold, like I put my command strip an hour or two before I went ahead and I hung this garland, and they held it up so good. And of course, I decided to add some Christmas pics on my garland just to give it that very nice pop of color.
Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this
Honestly, when you try using a garland on your table, I don't think you will ever go back to using any other thing, guys. Like there's just this, like the garland on a Christmas table, it gives it this very nice anchor that I can't even explain, guys. I was like, oh my goodness, I've been missing, because I just loved, especially when you get a flexible garland. You guys know some garland can be stiff, but this one was so flexible. But yep, I went ahead and of course I added up my charger, my placemat, my charger, my plates, my napkins, my spoons, my cups. I just added those up, and of course in the middle of the table I'm adding this beautiful, well decorated Christmas tree, guys. These, when I saw it, I believe I saw this from Home Goods, I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute, and they looked amazing on the table. And of course I decided to add my candles. I mean, what is your dining without some very nice candle for your decoration? So I just went ahead and added my candle. Absolutely, I don't know why I'm just doing a red Christmas for the first time. I have done red and white before. I think, yeah, I probably did red and white 3 years ago or something, but just like pure red is just I love it. I love it, guys. But anyways, you guys, I just went ahead and I'm just, putting the finishing touches to the decor. I'm decorating my console tables, and yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is for today's video. That thing on my shoulder is for my bra straps. I mean, if you're big chested, you know the drill about like our bra straps digging into the skin. But anyways, you guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video, and definitely look out for a vlog. Yeah, look out for that, and till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winter?